Hello everyone, welcome to ReLISTO Rental. Today we are touring 4214 Pacheco. This is a beautiful single family house. Come on in, let's check it out. This has its own garage. We'll do the garage tour last, but you have a nice entryway. A lot of people will put plants or other garden materials here that have a nice beautified space. Second door, and as you enter the property, you can put your coat up here. That's other storage bags, suitcases, duffel bags as you come home. Let's come up the stairs. All hardwood floors, just redone. They smell beautiful. And if you take a look, there's skylights, 3 skylights in this property, which really allows for a lot of light. It's almost sunset right now, and you can just see the immense amount of light that's already here. So again, spacious living room to enjoy. You do have fiber sonic here, so you have high-speed internet, which is fantastic. Come on into the kitchen. Gas range, hood, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, another skylight. Talk to us if you need anything in this kitchen. Tile floors, and as you can see where I'm standing, you have lots of room for a little dining table here to enjoy. And again, velvet pane windows. It's so warm in this property. Really amazing. Bathroom. Let's have you take a look in there. Beautiful white, big skylights, just gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a sizable bedroom, but it is a second bedroom. Got a big closet space right here. And then we're going to go out and to the second bedroom. This would be the master. It's much larger, very spacious. Has a formal closet, which travels far back, so you have lots of storage space. And you overlook the backyard, as well as you have peekaboo views of the Grand Headlands. Just gorgeous. And again, tall ceilings, and it smells so good because the owners just redid the floors. It's really amazing. Let's go down. All right, let's go down and see the garage. Now, it's a very sizable garage space. Technically made for 1 car, but depending on the size of the car, you might be able to get shelving everywhere. This is a paradise if you like to work from home. You have like pet projects that you like to do, lots of space here. What a wonderful place to have a workbench. Here you have washer and dryer. That's included in the unit. And the best of all, look at a bonus room. All right. Now, do what you want. Very spacious, lots of space to put clothes, hang clothes, have a guest room, etc. with his own ensuite bath. Look at that, shower, sink, and a toilet, all right there. Just absolutely fantastic. All right, and there's more. Let's go see the backyard. All right, come on. Now, during COVID, you want your own private space, and this property has it. So let's come back here. Concrete slab here, easy maintenance, super easy. Gives you lots of flexibility. Lots of people are now doing vegetable gardens. Put a couple of planter boxes here. You can have your own planter box, vegetable garden, and then hose, water, everything you need to really enjoy the outdoors. And it all can be yours. Again, single family house available right now for rent. Great price, wonderful set of owners. You'll really be pleased. Give us a call. Thank you.